What's up, guys? Collector B here. Happy 4th of July. Yes, I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. We got something special today. We just wanted to go through it, make ourselves look really dumb going through it, and that's what we're going to do. So, today we have the Mcfarlane Toys, the Riddler puzzle box, okay? Boom! Here it is, okay? Boom. 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 Pretty exciting, right? So, this is a puzzle box that was on Mcfarlane Toys. I don't really know what I'm getting into. Like, I kind of watched the video, like the first thing they teased about it, and then I haven't watched anybody's reviews or anything like that. So, we're gonna try to figure this thing out here. So, this might take 20 minutes. This might take like till tomorrow. So, yeah. So,
what if you never solve it?
Oh, then I guess I can't call myself Batman, can I?
I guess not.
Where are they? So anyways.
It's a helicopter.
It's a helicopter. You ruined it. We should have done that later. But yeah, so I mean, the box, this is what it looks like. It's just cardboard box. Now, I have not opened this up fully yet, so we're going to do that real quick before we start. Boom! Now, I'm really hoping this doesn't take batteries because I didn't even look, and I don't know if we have batteries. So, you pull this out. So, just box.
Jesus.
Yeah, this looks scary already. Okay.
Do you think it's going to be worth the $100 you spent?
We were going to talk about that. This is $100, okay? It is on Amazon. Well, it was on Amazon. It was on Mcfarlane Toys. Probably other places. But yeah, $100. So, just looking at this thing, so you have from here. Yeah, there's definitely some cool stuff with this for sure. So as you see, you kind of have a keypad over here. I don't know what these are, just buttons probably there. And then you have like a combination lock over here and some other stuff over here. And then a big question mark on the top, and the bottom is like this. It's pretty, I mean, it's pretty heavy. It's not bad. You can see kind of like I'm holding the Tesseract. I'm low-key. Yeah, I mean, it feels pretty well made, so we'll see. But there's not supposed to be instructions. You're supposed to figure it out. It's the riddle. Where do you start? Where do you start? That's what I'm... Okay, so I hit that. That pops out. This comes all the way out. I don't know if it was supposed to. Is this a key for something?
I don't see a keyhole or anything yet.
Oh my god. So that pops that one out. That's all that it does.
Key doesn't have anything on it but the question mark.
Yeah, I don't see crap, dude. Alright, so we're gonna figure this out. What do these do?
Can you...
What?
Well, like the top of the box. So, because obviously there's no riddles yet. So they're probably inside, and the rest is maybe part of the riddles. The top, doesn't it look like one of those puzzles you used to be able to move?
Yeah, but there's...
Like, do any of the pieces...
But you're missing a space.
Do any of them come out? Okay, you pressing them, like, can you pull any of them?
You want to come try this? Like, I'm telling you. This has to be the first thing. But
there's nowhere to put a key.
I have no idea what it's for, though.
Yeah, see? None of the other pieces in here are connected, but these, like these.
You're gonna break it. Yeah?
What is
This thing's just gonna like shoot something at my face. Did you do it?
this piece?
Oh, is there a keyhole? Okay. You're smart. Look at that.
Well, I
okay.
used to do this puzzle a lot.
Okay, so let's see what we got in here. So the wife figured it out. So kind of crazy that there's just like no instructions though, or
Well,
nothing.
I mean,
but I
like,
know, but that key
that's-
popped out. So here's what this is. So there's that just holds it, and then there's these pictures here. Okay, so let's see what we got. So I believe when you open this whole thing up, you get a batarang. Like these are pieces.
Oh, you get to make a batarang.
To a batarang, and
How's
like
it feel?
feels like the one Michael got me.
Oh, really?
Feel that.
Oh, wow.
Show that
That's
on
heavy
camera.
duty.
Yeah, it is heavy
That's
duty.
actually
So, okay,
nice.
we've got 2 mystery cards here.
mystery cards.
This one, oh
Are
god,
they numbered or anything?
I don't see numbers, but let's. This one looks like a newspaper. I bet you they go together. Let's see.
I think so.
Okay, so we have just greetings, not seasons greetings. Dark greetings.
Let me
Dark
see.
greetings. Okay. Then on the back are again these symbols.
Huh, okay.
Okay, welcome friends to your very own puzzle box made by me, the Riddler. To continue, you'll need to phone some friends, forget the bats, call the birds and a cat, and start with your oldest friend first. Success is just a few clicks away. Good luck, Edward Nygma. Okay, and then we have, wow, this is pretty cool though. The Gotham City Gazette, Mystery Crusader thwarts murderer. Okay, this is pretty cool.
Okay.
And on the back, to open the vault, you must have the heart. Dial the year when the bat got his start.
Oh, shoot. It's good.
And it feels like an actual
Oh,
newspaper.
yeah, it does.
So the year the bat got its start. I'm going to tell you guys off the top of my head, I have no idea.
1939.
Is it saying on there? On the
Just-
newspaper? Is that what you did? Look at, she's pretty. But the vault, that would be this,
The
right?
vault? Oh. Or is it? I don't. Maybe it's the combo? Because look, so it says. Try the combo, but do it like 1939-39. You see how it's like that? Possibly. That's what I'm looking at is that there. But I could be totally wrong, so. Dang. Ooh, I'm Batman.
I'm glad I have you here because you're pretty good at this. So,
This is fun.
this is pretty cool. I told you it would be. But so okay, so what? So we finished. So we got
So
that.
that
But we still have to figure this
Let me
thing
look at
out.
this.
But hold on. Okay, because we got 2 more clues. 3 looks like 3 more clues. So here is another piece to the batarang.
This is easy.
Easy. I'm sure it is too. I didn't really look at it. Okay, another piece.
Ooh, let me
That's
see.
the bat.
This is actually
Pretty heavy
this
duty.
is nice.
So that's what you're paying $100 for.
Oh yeah.
Is for this fun little thing.
That's
and
actually it's heavy duty.
let's see.
Maybe you're missing more pieces.
No, it definitely
Okay,
goes.
well.
It goes right here.
Okay, there you go. Woohoo.
Yeah, okay.
Could
So,
enter
what did
someone
this
with
say? This said, welcome, friends. To continue, you'll need to phone some friends. Forget the bats. Call the birds. And a cat. And start with your oldest friend first. Success is just a few clicks away.
You don't know?
No, what is it?
So the birds would be a robin, his
Yeah,
symbol.
Obviously.
Nightwing, or not Nightwing. Sorry.
The birds, the cat,
Yeah,
Catwoman.
Catwoman.
Okay.
Who else? Got Robin.
Well, but where do I do that?
Well, they have numbers on them. Find the numbers, put them in there. Sorry.
Man, maybe she should be doing this, guys. So, call the birds. So you have Robin and Nightwing on here. That's it. So 3, 9, and a cat. Which Catwoman symbol's not on here.
There's not a cat on there?
I guess that's the mask. 6. So 3, 9, 6. Let's start with your oldest friend first. Success is just a few clicks away. Your oldest friend first. Which is what? Be the Joker? So 5, 3, 9, 6.
I heard something.
I know.
Like,
That's
like
what it did
open.
earlier, too. Alright, well, let's skip that for now. We'll hold this here. Because we've got 3 other things
okay.
here. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, this probably would have taken me like 5 hours to figure out how to get it to start this. Okay.
But
What?
who would know hit, or who would be like? Would Robin be his oldest
No, it would
friend
be.
on there?
Well, I don't know. I don't know who all these are. Whose is this?
I don't know.
Like, you know what I mean? I don't know that or that. That's Penguin. Unless Edward Nygma is his oldest friend. So this is all this is a Wayne Industries from the office of, and it's Bruce Wayne is crossed out and it says Edward Nygma. It's like a little business card.
It does open though.
Oh, I didn't even see, guys. I'd still be here trying to figure out how to get this out of the box it was in. This is why you get married. You have somebody who's a little bit smarter than you. Okay, so it does open, guys.
It's not just a business card.
Line up the keys to success to claim your prize. And here's these keys. So 1 is Wayne Industries Lucius Fox, president and CEO. 1 is Wayne Industries Bruce Wayne, owner. That goes in there. I get it. I get this one. So if you want to show that, that's for right here, I'm guessing. And then here's this one. Okay. And then I'm guessing they go in this slot right here. So
You would think.
you line up the keys like this. And you make the question mark.
Ooh.
Okay.
Maybe you need to do something else before that.
Maybe you need to do something else before that. I'm not having a good time. F and A, Cotton. Okay, so, alright, so maybe you're saying we need to figure this out first.
Out of the three, start with your oldest friend, maybe?
Well, it's saying bird's a cat, and then start with your oldest friend first.
Yeah, so out of those three, maybe it's only a 3-digit combination.
Well, no, so this is pound. Whatever the hell this thing is. Oops. This is star.
Okay.
And then you have all this. So if you started with your oldest friend, so maybe we'll start with Nygma, it would be 1. And then you have the birds, which would be Robin and Nightwing. Okay, which would then be 3 and 9. And then the cat is 6. So it'd be 1396 or 1936.
Okay.
See, so what's weird, that clicks in, that clicks in, that clicks in. So it's got to be 3, 6, 9, and 4. Okay. So which is 3, 6, 9, 4. That's how it is. Except that's Catwoman. So it said start with the birds first, right?
Uh-huh.
So 3, 9, 6, 4. I don't know. But I don't get it. It says forget the bats, but then why would you have that bat symbol click? Because some of these do not click at all. It's like wants to come out. See, now they're not clicking. So like really.
Maybe it's jammed.
Or we're just dumb.
That too.
Do you see that?
Yeah.
No?
So I'm thinking it's like, could be, maybe it's jammed. 4, 3.
But that didn't come out. But then if I do...
Maybe it was jammed.
I'm pretty sure it was jammed.
So
Because it was this.
it was that.
3694. Well, that's crap.
Ooh, mystery.
Some BS. You can't cheat like that, Edward. Okay.
You don't seem like you're having much fun.
Well, that sucked. I guessed it. How am I supposed to even get this out? That's just supposed to stay in there then, I guess. Alright, so we got our other piece. So that's the whole thing though?
I thought you got 4 pieces.
That's the whole batarang.
It's a nice batarang.
It is a nice batarang. We still didn't get to use the card key.
Yet.
Unless I broke it. Yeah, the card key will not go in.
Is there no mystery or riddle?
Well, let's see. I'm curious since it's not packed in there. This still don't pop out.
Huh. Are you...
Feels like the 4 is like busted. See, but now I can't even get it out again. See, but there's no way it's gonna pop out unless I'm stupid, which they would probably think we are. Okay, so we got a question mark. Oh, you can reset this.
What?
That's it.
That was it?
Well, it's obviously not it, because we didn't get these cards. It says, you've solved all my riddles. Well done and congrats. Bully for you, you're as smart as the bat. Though the game is now over, this isn't the end. Put everything back and challenge a friend. And on the back it says, for instructions on resetting the Riddler box, please visit the website listed or scan the QR code below.
Oh.
But then what are... Like, how...
Does it go in now that it's... Did you have to do the combination and
with
then...
the key in there?
No.
Okay, so we figured out this key thing and the keypad. What's really weird, it still don't make sense to me at all. Because, so, okay, I believe that's what you have to put in, okay? Which would be, Robin is 3, Catwoman is 6, Nightwing is 9, and then the bat symbol, which is 4. But then it says start with your oldest friend, which I believe would be 1, which is Nygma, okay? So, but what doesn't make sense to me... Alright, so what we figured out is this key, it doesn't feel like it's going to go in, but you have to, like, jam it in there. I mean, you literally have to jam that in there, okay? So now we cheated and obviously popped this open with scissors, but so when I do the keypad here, 1, 3, 6, 9, 4, that pops open. But see, but the riddle to me doesn't make sense because it says... You'll need to phone some friends. Forget the bats. Okay? So forget the bats. Call the birds and a cat. So, like, to me, it would make sense if the birds were next to each other and then the cat. Okay? And then start with your oldest friend, which is Nygma. But I don't understand why it's boom, 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 and then the bat. Unless you're forgetting the bat for the end. So, I don't know. So, you have to put these keys in, these key cards in. And that's what pops it open. I believe 0 resets it. So again, 1, 3, 6, 9, 4. And I was doing 0 as like the end, so that's probably why it didn't open. So I thought this was broken, but it's not. We're just special, apparently. The only thing... See, I think you need to reset it and then it locks. The only thing we did not figure out is what this key's for. And I don't know, like the wife said, maybe it's just there to throw you off, but I don't see anywhere that you can insert this key at all. No more of these move, right? Yeah, so kind of weird. Not sure. But we did figure that out. So you have to jam these cards in there, though. I mean, huh, right? Like, you have to stick them in there hard. And then boom, 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 boom. Ta-da. There we go. So, I thought we had a broken one. We don't. We just are not as smart as Edward Nygma, apparently. But yeah, so that is that. We cheated. So you can cheat to get it open if you want to. Just get some scissors or a screwdriver or something. It didn't break, which is good. But, yeah. There we go. Boom. So, yeah. So, not sure, like she said, not sure if that was worth $100.
How much is an escape room?
I don't know. I kind of want to get, like, this plastic out and see if that helps. It still don't open. We just Jimmy rigged it open. Yeah, so kind of interesting. What was the code? It was
1939.39.
That was the easiest part. So, there you go. I mean, it was fun, but it's kind of...
It seemed like you had fun.
I was getting pissed because you got all them right, and I'm just over here like, I have no idea. I just thought that there was going to be more to it, honestly.
Yeah, same. Especially like when you pulled the key out at first,
so
I was
it's
like, oh, okay,
mystery.
like, what's that?
Yeah.
But again, I mean,
it's a pretty cool thing. It is cool that you can reset it. You can scan the QR code and reset it. But basically, you're spending $100 for these cards that I guess are kind of cool. These that don't do anything, apparently, or we're just special, but I'm pretty sure we have everything. And then this batarang. Would have been cool though if like this turned into a stand.
Yeah.
To like hold this batarang like this or something. But yeah, I mean the batarang's pretty heavy duty. It's pretty cool. But I don't know. I probably wouldn't buy it again, obviously.
Oh.
But it was pretty cool. So, you know, if you guys want to get something kind of cool for somebody to do, that's kind of cool, kind of frustrating because that drawer did not open. But yeah, it was a lot shorter. Like, I just thought there was going to be, like,
maybe I shouldn't
riddles.
have solved anything for you.
Well, yeah, it would have been a lot longer, for sure. But I thought there was going to be, like, riddles. Like, more riddles instead of, like, this.
I mean, they are...
But they're not.
Not, but...
So, but yeah. So that's kind of cool. So there is the Edward Nygma box and the batarang.
Took two 30-year-olds 41 minutes to open a box.
Hey, to be fair... I'm pretty sure that's messed up, but that's okay. Whatever. It's probably not. We probably didn't put in the right code. But well, you can cheat. So there you go. So so yeah. So again, happy 4th of July. Hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day. And that's it, right? Yeah. As always, collectors never stop collecting.